Today study about the next point of this chapter, that is blood cells. The blood cells are of three types, that is RBC, or it is also called as the erythrocytes. Second type is the WBC, or it is also called as the leukocytes. And third one is the blood platelets or thrombocytes. From that, we first read about the RBC, that is the red blood corpuscle or erythrocytes. The RBCs are circular in shape. It is circular in shape. Then it is biconcave disc, and important thing is that these are without a nucleus. In center there is presence of the stroma. The RBCs are reddish in color, and due to this iron containing respiratory pigments called as the hemoglobin, and then they obtain the red color. In a normal man, 5 million RBCs are present per cubic mm. And a woman having 4.5 million per cubic mm. The RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Then in kidney and spleen by the process is called as the erythropoiesis. That is the production of the RBC, or the process of the formation of the RBC called as the erythropoiesis. The worn out RBCs, or it is destroyed in the liver, spleen, and the average life of the RBCs are about 120 days. Normally, the life of RBC is 120 days. Then RBCs destroy every day millions of RBC, and same number of new RBCs are added in the blood. The RBCs decreased if number of RBCs decreased. Yes, you carefully see that. If a number of RBCs decreased, then the person is suffering from the disease called as the anemia. Means the RBC number is less and its hemoglobin is also less. And if the number of RBC is increased, called as the polycythemia. In this condition, the hemoglobin percent is more. The important thing is that the functions of RBCs. The main function is it transport O2 from lung to tissue. It transport O2 from lung to tissues and CO2 from tissue to lung. As well as it also maintain the pH and viscosity of the blood. pH and viscosity of the blood. This is the main function of the RBC. Okay.